Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the today topic is about how we getting started with React Native. It's very simple and I will show you how we can install the folder in our PC and how we install the app on our Android phones so we can develop an app easily. First of all, we go to the documentation which is on internet. Just type on a URL React Native. It will throw you to the link where you can find the doc officially. See, there's two things: the Expo CLI Quick Start and the React Native CLI Quick Start. Expo CLI is basically for our beginners which are only want to learn how to React Native perform. So you can or install Expo CLI, but there is one thing you cannot do in Expo. There, the third-party tools cannot run in Expo CLI. There are limited features in Expo CLI, and in React Native CLI Quick Start, it can allow you to install third-party tools. You must have an Android Studio. If you don't have, then download it, install it. After that, you have Node, Python, and JDK. You have to install. You can install it Node.js from their official website. Node.js. You can download Python from their official website. Okay. So after all the installation, you have to create environment variables. Just go to the start. Type env. Enter. Before that, you have to show that you have installed Android Studio. For that, if you install Android Studio, you can go to see your user, and in it you can see app data. If there is no app data showing, these are the hidden folders, and you can easily found it by selecting views and selecting hidden for items. It will show you hidden items. Okay, our app data now onto the local into the Android, and you can see SDKs. Okay, so in the environment tab, you can click on the environment variable, and you don't have this variable in your environment by default, so you have to create it. Click on the new. You can set environment variable Android home. You can see also on the documentation Android home, and you have to paste a path of SDK. This is the path. You copy it, paste it, just like they are showing in documentation. Okay, so I already have created, so I don't have to create one more. After that, you have to create an extra path which is SDK platform tools. Same in the list, have you will found path. Go to this and you have the list of the path. So I already created, but if you want to and you have to create it, click on new and go into the folder where you have SDK into the platform tools and copy the path and just paste on new. So you have the path. Okay, and click OK. Okay, so you successfully assign the environment variable. Now just go to the documentation, copy the command npx react native. In it, create a folder in which you want to create your app. Open the folder in cmd command prompt, copy the command and type, and I choose jewelry app. Enter it, and you will see download is started. After I already created an app, after creating an application, just go on to the folder where you created the application. Open in a command prompt d code. Okay, in it, so when you open the folder, it will take time to process some things building your app. Now here's the things: you have to connect the mobile with the laptop or PC which you are using, and after your connection, your mobile is showing. So, and if there is no mobile name is showing, then go to the cmd of the system, cmd, type ADBDEVIC devices. It will show you the list of devices connected. If it is not showing, then your mobile is not connected. Make sure your mobile have to connect it to the computer. After that, select the mobile and press this button, run app. It will build your app and it will create a app on your mobile, and you can see on the mobile phones. I will show you on the mobile as well. After that, when you see the process is completed, go to the folder cmd, you open on editor, run npm start and enter it. Okay, shake your app. If your app is not starting, shake your app. Go to the change bundle location, enter your pc ip address where you, and you will see the bundle installs and your application will start. After that, you can work on the application. Okay, and you will see the bundle installs and your application will start. After that, you can work on and you successfully create a React Native app. You can develop on the folders. There's a app file, which is the main file from where you can add it or anything you can want. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.